Welcome everyone. In this module, we'll be learning a range of strategies to help us keep track of our research data over time, memos and annotations. Memos are documents which exist in your research project which you can code yourself. They are a great way for storing critical reflections on your coding or for providing a general overview of how other researchers should engage with your NVivo project file. Annotations are stored within files themselves and can help to track your immediate thoughts or any extra information that has occurred outside of the file. We'll also look at file classifications, which allow us to sort our different project files into categories like interviews, newspaper articles, videos, and so on. Finally, we'll look at creating maps in NVivo, like the project map, which allows us to see the links between files, cases, and nodes across our project. These are great for helping you to navigate your research.